This tiny channel hit 50,000 subs with only 70 videos, and almost every video gets millions of views. No editing skills, no money, just skeleton shorts. Today, I'll show you the exact free system they're using. First, don't copy videos. Copy the process. Open ChatGPT, go to Apps, explore GPTs, search skeleton shorts. Type your topic, like skeleton eating junk food. Boom, you get scene-by-scene prompts instantly. Now go to Google Gemini, create image, upload any skeleton reel screenshot as reference, paste scene prompt, generate. Next, open Grok, upload image, paste same prompt, generate video clip. Repeat for all scenes. You now have a full animated skeleton short. Go back to ChatGPT and ask, write a 20-second viral script. Paste it into 11 Labs, generate voice. Done. Put clips in any editor. Add voiceover, match timing, crop watermark. That's it. You just made a viral skeleton short for free. Want the 50 viral skeleton topics list? Comment skeleton and I'll drop it.